In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to take you through a sprinter start on a TRX. There are many different variations of this, and I'm going to show you the hip flexion and explosive power version of this exercise. So when we're coming into setting up the sprinter stance, we're actually going to find both TRX handles and we're going to pop them in front of the body. So find your hip bone. Some people prefer the handles here. Other people prefer them a little bit lower, and it does depend on height and limb length, okay? So how long someone's legs are in relation to their body. So have a play about with the position, but as long as you're in that region between the hip and also kind of the very top or above the middle of the quadricep, the front of the thigh, you should be in a good position to at least start off the exercise. Now, what I want you to do is I actually want you to have these straps underneath the elbow. So you're going to bring your arm around both the TRX straps, hands on the foam handles, and you can see here they're underneath my armpit, right? I'm now going to come forwards, so I'm balancing in this position. I'm grabbing on to the handles as hard as I can, and from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring one leg forwards into my sprinter stance. Doesn't matter which one, because you're going to be doing both sides. Now, what I want you to do is have both feet pointing directly forwards. Keep a nice straight back looking forwards. You're going to come into hip flexion and also a calf raise or a heel raise at the same time. Let me show you hip flexion first. So that's this. As you do that, you'll find that your trunk stabilizes, your core and lower back have to work really hard so you don't go off balance. And what now you're going to do is at the end of that motion, now I want you to watch my left leg. You can see now, I'm not only coming into hip flexion, I'm also coming into that calf raise. Once you've done your sets on one side, you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. And that's how to do a sprinter start